You're watching Mirror 7 News. Stay informed, stay ahead for more news.
So here's what's happening right now in the world of traditional finance and crypto. Vanguard, one of the most conservative and widely trusted asset managers in the world, is finally stepping into the Bitcoin arena. Starting tomorrow, the company will officially allow its clients to trade Bitcoin-focused exchange-traded funds and other digital asset investment products on its brokerage platform. This is being viewed as a major shift, especially because Vanguard had held a firm stance against offering crypto exposure for years. What makes this announcement such a big deal is the scale at which it's happening. Vanguard serves more than 50 million brokerage customers, who collectively manage over $11 trillion in assets. Beginning Tuesday, all of those clients will gain access to regulated Bitcoin ETFs and similar digital asset funds, something that many investors have been asking for, as interest in crypto exposure has steadily grown across the financial industry. It's being said that this change follows months of internal review as Vanguard reevaluated its long-time policies in light of evolving market behavior. Historically, the company approached Bitcoin and digital assets with a very cautious mindset, even as spot Bitcoin ETFs in the U.S. recorded more than a dozen consecutive days of inflows, signaling strong demand from institutional investors. Vanguard continued to restrict client access. But now, with the digital asset market becoming more structured and investor interest reaching new highs, the firm appears ready to adapt. This policy reversal reflects how much the landscape has changed and how traditional finance is being reshaped by new forms of investment vehicles. The impact of this shift is expected to be significant. Investors who rely on Vanguard for long-term portfolio management will now be able to integrate regulated Bitcoin ETFs alongside stocks, bonds, and other asset classes. It essentially brings Bitcoin exposure further into the mainstream and sends a signal that crypto-related investment products are becoming harder for large institutions to ignore. The move also highlights just how strong the demand for regulated Bitcoin access has become across all corners of the financial world. Overall, Vanguard's decision is being seen as a milestone moment for both traditional finance and digital assets. It represents a growing acceptance of Bitcoin-linked products and a recognition that investor preferences are evolving quickly. Starting tomorrow, millions of clients will have the option to participate in this shift, marking a new chapter in how mainstream investors approach digital assets. Stay subscribed for more videos.